Okay, so this is a quick demo of the StudioSuite WebRequest module. This is the main login for all the web functionality in StudioSuite, whether it's WebGlancer, WebDirect, or WebRequest. The first two do need logins to be able to get in there because there's confidential information. The third one, WebRequest, does not require that because that's intended for your customers to be able to make requests. So let's go ahead and get into that. So in the upper left here, we're looking at the client information. They could fill out first name, last name, all that stuff. If they are a repeat customer, you can give them a login ID, which will allow them to auto-populate that information by typing in their ID, so they don't have to keep doing that all the time. Down here at the bottom left is the start and date time, start date and time. So we'll put in the 11th there. Let's start at 9. Let's put in the 13th as an end date. Start that. And at around, I don't know, 5. Project name is WebRequest Demo. Project type, let's call it a shoot. And this is an editable list, by the way. You can have that contain your own particular types. And then here's some other, kind of random notes I'm going to put in about this. And then in the upper right is where we can search for stuff. So I'm doing a shoot, which means I need some cameras. So just type the word camera. That's going to load up all of our stuff that has the word camera in it, including camera van, camera rental, camera assistant. I want an actual camera, so I'll go down here and I'll get a couple of these and a couple of these. And you can see as I'm clicking on them, it's adding it down to the bottom. They're all inheriting the date and time I specified over here, but I can also adjust individually here as needed. And let's see, I also need an operator. So I'll pick that person. And I need some lights. So I'll look for light. Here's a light kit. Here's another light kit. So those have all been added down to my items down here. I can also set up some notes. So for maybe camera operator, I wanted to specify a particular person. I can do that. So once that's all filled out, I hit submit. And that's going to submit a request into the desktop version of StudioSuite. Also send an email to the requestor and to somebody designated within your organization to receive the web requests. So now I can see I've got 41 web requests. I can just click in there, and that's going to bring me into the one that I just filled out. There's our web request demo for shooting. Here's all of the notes that I put in and all of the resources. So that's pretty much it. I can then accept it. And then that flows into a project. I could make changes from within the project if I needed to swap out some items or put together a quote, as the case may be. So that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.